Okay, we're gonna finish our lesson about combining like terms, and this is how you do it. So over here, when you're solving for x, right, you're gonna take any coefficients you see, right, that match up, and you're just gonna highlight them with a color. Okay, so this one, you see a 6 that's connected to the x, that's your coefficient. Do you see any other coefficient that looks like it?
No.
You don't see any other one that has an x?
Yeah. That's
right there, right? So you're gonna highlight them like this together. Okay, you're gonna combine them. Okay, so any colors that are the same, you're gonna add them together.
okay.
So you're gonna take 6 plus 8, or I'm sorry, 6 plus 2 is what?
7. 8.
8, right? So you're gonna put 10 plus 8x equals 18. Why? Because we put them together. And the reason we're doing this is to simplify the expression, to make it more basic so we can see it and it doesn't look so overwhelming, right? Once you do that, then you just solve for x, right? Subtract that on both sides. And then it becomes 8x equals 8. Okay? Once we do that, you're going to divide both sides by the 8 to get rid of that coefficient. And then x equals 1. Okay? You're going to do a practice problem. I'm going to add multiple different coefficients to it. Okay? So you have this. Okay. So what coefficients do you see that are the same?
3x.
3x.
3x, y, 2, and 4x.
3x and 4x are the same. So you're going to highlight them with one color. Okay, now what other coefficient do you see that you can combine together?
2y and 8y.
2y and 8y. Okay, so you're going to pick another color and you're going to highlight those together. Okay, so you're combining these together and you're combining these together. Numbers without variables, like that are not coefficients and not variables, also can combine. So do you see numbers?
Yeah.
Which ones?
10 and 10.
10 and 10. So you're going to highlight those with the green. And then every color that's the same is basically going to be added together, right? So you're adding these two. So try to add them together. I want you to try to add all the colors that are the same now together. Good job. And then the greens together. Perfect. So now your new answer is 7x plus 10y plus 20 equals 52. Right? And you see how it looks so much shorter than this really, really long one? All we did was we just combined everything together to make it look a lot less simple, and so it's not so overwhelming when you look at it. And now you just solve for your variables, right? And that's it. We're going to try one more problem where we're going to combine like terms, and then I'm going to give you problems where you're just solving for one variable. Okay, two-step variable problem. I want you to try this one right now.
So it's just 7, or So if we don't have another number for the other root,
If you don't have anything else that looks like this, then you don't combine it.
Mhm.
Yep, so you already did that. You combine these two together.
Mhm.
And then you just keep the 10 right there. Plus. You're going to put the plus sign.
and then
Equals
goes
52. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going over it briefly because I know we talked about it before. And I know you kind of know how to do this. We're going to do a quick review and then you'll be good. It's just like a review, right? Just to make sure you know what you're doing. I'm going to have you work on those problems alone. And then I'm going to give you about a few minutes and then we'll come back and talk about it. And then you'll be all set to go.
Mhm.
Okay?